The water leak sensor 4-pack with alarm is a highly effective product that offers long-range obstruction-penetrating coverage of up to 1/4 of a mile in open air, thanks to its use of industrial-grade LoRa protocol for communication. This water leak sensor also features an impressive 105 decibel audio alarm that provides instant alerts to potential leaks, allowing users to swiftly respond to emergencies and minimize water damage. In addition to detecting leaks, the sensor is equipped with a low-temperature sensor that sends alerts when the temperature drops to freezing levels, thereby helping prevent frozen pipes and potential damage during colder months. The sensor boasts an IP66 waterproof rating, which ensures its reliability in various indoor environments, including toilets, water heaters, laundry machines, dishwashers, sinks, fish tanks, sump pumps, and other water-prone areas. Installation of the Yolink wireless water sensor is effortless and takes only seconds. Simply place it near or under the equipment you want to monitor. The product comes with 2 replaceable AAA batteries, providing peace of mind for over 5 years without the need for frequent replacements.